Hi there guys. In today's video we're going to be looking at the lattice tool in VinylCut 5. Just a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We cover quite a variety of different softwares and we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. We're back in the program here. Now a lattice effect is quite nice to do if you have like a card design. You want to, let's say, cut out a grid so you can see the back side of a card from the outside, or the inside of the card from the outside. Or you're cutting a vinyl and you want to stick like a form of grid so you can see through a certain area of it. There's many reasons why you would use a lattice, but for this tutorial's demo we'll just be using that. So as a base here we've got the two cards and the objects we want to create as a lattice. So now I'll first show you the normal way and the inverted way. In most cases, if you're making cards and so forth, you will want to use the inverted option, but I will show you both. So then let's say you selected your object you want to create a lattice from. Then what you want to do is go to effects on top, navigate down till you see lattice, open that, and now we're met by this pop-up box. Got a preview here of what it's going to look like, and then if you click the little preview button at the bottom here, it will make a live update on your canvas. You can see what it's going to look like in real life, or on the canvas or the mat. Then under its settings we have a few here. First one is the lines. So normal will leave both horizontal and vertical, or you can go horizontal and go only horizontal lines, as you can see, or vertical for only vertical. So we set this back to normal. Then next up we have width. This is the width of the line. So if we adjust this up one, you can see, and then if we click preview, you can see the width of the lines are quite a bit more. Gap is the white space between them. So if we adjust this one up one and we click preview, you will see now we've adjusted the white spacing as well. So you can kind of use it as a form of scaling your lattice as well. Then we've got the angle. This is kind of the you'll see now. So if we adjust this up, it's kind of like the skewness of it. I'm just going to set that back to around 30, and then we have rotate. So let's say it's doing a weird cutout in the corners, then you can always just use the rotate tool, and then you go preview again. You can see what's happening in the corners. But for now, let's keep this at about 30. Then if we don't use the invert and we click OK, then to make this a cutout, we'll obviously select both of our objects and grab a block box over it, or select the one and then keep shift and select the other one, and both will be selected. Then we merge them by going to object on top here. We go down to merge, or control shift B. Now we can see that it has created a single vinyl of it, and this will be cut out on your machine. If we're going to print preview, you can see it's going to cut this out, all these little blocks. You can imagine what's the problem going to be here. So once you want to apply the vinyl or you select your card, all these inside blocks are going to be gone. So you have to manually take them out and try stick them in place. If it's a vinyl or with a card, you will just have this big open gap with these jagged edges. So now to do it the right way, what we'll do is with the next lattice, we will just use the invert option. So we'll go to the effects, lattice. Let's just set these settings similar. Set the rotation to about 30 again. This time we'll keep invert on. Now if we click OK here, we'll see it gives us quite a different look here. So once again we select both of them, to object, merge. Now we're getting the effect we're looking for. So now when it cuts out, it's gonna leave all those blocks out, but yet we've got all the bars we were looking for. So now when you cut that, it will make more sense if you have a card or so forth. Otherwise, yes, that's the basics on the lattice. So in most cases you'll be using the invert. There's rare cases you'll use it the other way, but you know, it's quite a mess to use, you know, to manually stick or stick all those things. Otherwise, we head to our website here. If you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. You can see we cover quite a variety of different softwares, and we have a search option here if you want to look for something specific. You're also welcome to request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.